Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you what do 2K, 4K and 8K mean. So if you find, maybe if you want to buy a televisions or smartphone and tablets like that, and there will be this 2K, 4K and 8K explanations or descriptions on the screen. So I'm going to show you I'm going to tell you what it means. So 2K, 4K and 8K refer to the resolutions of images and videos, and they indicate the number of pixels, pictures, elements that make up a display or images. So first, I'm going to tell you the 2K. 2K stands for approximately 2000 pixels horizontally, and it's common resolution for smaller screens like your smartphones and tablets. So in here, I'm going to show you an example of 2K images. I'm going to use Google search. So these are the examples of 2K images. You can see this is the difference. This is 2K and this is 4K. So what is 4K? Let me tell you. 4K stands for approximately 4000 pixels horizontally, and it's higher resolutions that offer more detail and clarity compared to 2K, and it's widely used for TVs, computer monitors, and digital cinema. Let's see the difference in here. This is the 2K, and 4K show you more clarity. So I get this image from Reolink. So you're seeing Reolink example of 2K and 4K images. And the last one is 8K. So of course the 8K stands for 8000 pixels horizontally, and it's the highest resolution currently available for commercial use, and it offers even more detail and clarity than 4K, but it's still relatively rare due to its high cost and the limited availability of content in this format. So in summary, the higher the number between 2K, 4K and 8K, the more pixels the image contains, and it will resulting in a sharper and more detailed picture. So if you want to get a best experience, of course you need to choose higher number. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.